Hey, what's up, everybody? Kyle from Beards and Boost. Today, finally putting a banner on my car. We're finally letting the world know about Beards and Boost, aside from Instagram and all the other places. But came to a good friend's house, or his company actually. Brandon, you want your last name on here? I assume that's okay. Maybe not. Brandon Evans from Xtreme Shades. He's a great local business to us. Brandon has been one of my best friends since I was a kid growing up. So we went through car stages together, building cars, working on cars. He's been tinting windows for a long time, but I want to give you an introduction to him, and then we're going to show you what all's going on. So, Brandon, get on in here. Let's actually turn this way, because you get a suntan real quick when you turn the other way. So, tell us a little bit about what you're doing, because you've worked for a lot of other people over the years, and you've done some other jobs as well. But you've really been working hard at getting Xtreme Shades up and running, and I'd call you a professional at this point. So
I try to be. I've been doing it for 14 years. I do a little bit of everything: window tinting, vehicle graphics, vehicle wraps, full color change. Pretty much anything that has adhesive, I can stick it. So that's what we're about. We're a family-owned business, and just try to make your car look the best we can. And we're here for any of your window tinting needs or vehicle graphics or anything in that matter.
Cool. So that's what we're here for. If you've seen my car, the window tint on it was done by Brandon. The roof wrap was done by Brandon. You did some stuff on Jonathan's car too, didn't you?
I did.
I know
Originally wrapped his mirrors.
I know you did his emblems as well.
All of his emblems.
And some of the tinting on that as well.
Also done the around the mouth opening of the bumper.
Yep. In one of our other videos, you guys saw that. Well, I know we showed a video of me trimming out the lower grill piece in mine. Jonathan's was done before mine, and a lot of you guys commented, like, how did you fill in the holes? What did you do with that? And so Jonathan came to Brandon here at Xtreme Shades, and he cut out vinyl to put in there to fit perfectly where it's not noticeable. It really blends well with the car. But yeah, stay tuned, have fun with us. Thanks.
So right now I'm squeegeeing out the slip solution that I used. Since this is it's a cast vinyl, but it does not have an air release in it. I'm applying it wet, just as if I were applying a piece of window film. I'm actually using a product. The inside the slip solution is a product called Fusion All Type. Made by Fusion Tools. This slip solution, or excuse me, this product here.
Is that what those guys on Street Outlaws use for their tires?
I'm not sure about that. Oh. But this stuff is made for any type of adhesive for installing. It's a mounting solution. And basically right now, since I'm applying it wet, I'm doing a wet install. Just got to squeegee all the moisture and slip solution out. But this allows for anything that does not have an air release inside of it, like a lot of your car wrap materials. That actually helps with keeping a clean install and not having any air pockets inside of it. And once I get all of that, I'll trim the top edge. We're also using a product called knifeless tape. That's what this little green thing is here. It has a really fine string underneath it. once you pop it, it'll actually cut the vinyl without me having to put a blade on the piece of glass there. Run the risk of scoring the glass.
I'm not gonna lie, I always thought there was like a metal wire inside that green stuff.
No, it's actually kind of like a braided fishing line. Really and truly is what it is. It's very thin. Matter of fact, you can actually break it just with the force of your fingers. So I mean, it's not that thick. And once this is starting to tack up, we'll make sure we hit it with some heat. That way when you're going down the road, your freshly installed banner doesn't fly off. You know, it is ST, it's pretty fast.
Something like that. It's also preferred, you know, for it to stay stuck. So
yeah.
Because I mean, if it goes flying down the road, I mean, what's your warranty there? Woo. You have to like give me my money back or a new banner, or am I just out of luck?
If it comes off, we're gonna hook you up.
If it goes off, do I need to pick it up off the side of the road and bring it back to you?
Probably wouldn't hurt for a picture because we may not believe you.
No. Well. You hadn't shaved in a while, have you? We're going to get you to grow a beard at some point. If you quit your other job, you can have one.
Yeah, you're right.
And you already drive a boosted truck, so I mean, you fit right in at Beards and Boosts. I'll just leave you this other giant logo that I printed that we're not using, and you can just put that on your truck.
All right. But I'd have to grow a beard before I put it on there, right?
Well, I mean, you almost got one. If you just let it grow out a little bit more, it don't have to be a long one. It can just.
It don't take me but about 2 weeks. I get a good quarter-inch beard growing.
I mean, you're getting older now too. It grows in. When you were younger, you just grow like a chin strap, but now you can actually grow a beard.